Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Shandy if you're new here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to comment down below as well. So today we are pretty much just playing with eyeshadow. I don't exactly know what I want to create other than I want to use multiple eyeshadow colors. So I have 4 eyeshadow palettes in front of me. However, I don't know if I'm gonna use all 4. We will see. And I have like a ton of different brushes in front of me too. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in and we can just go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are zoomed in really close, and I want to let you guys know ahead of time that I do have sharp, oh my gosh, I can't even speak, Tarte Shape tape down on my eyelids, and I have it set with loose powder, so I do want to kind of let you know I do have that on my eyelid. Hi, yeah, you want me to throw your ball? And Emma is wanting to play. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with our ColourPop E21 brush. So I kind of have an order from small to a larger brush because I want to, I believe, create like 4 or 5 different colors on my eyelid. So let's just see if they turn out. But oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. The first palette we are getting into is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. So it has a lot of different like brights in here. And the reason why I'm going into this one right now is because I'm going into the yellow right here. So again, on my ColourPop E21 brush. And basically, I already did this eye here. I'm not going to go all the way over, obviously, but I do want to go over a little bit, and I'm going to apply another eyeshadow color on top of that. So for me to get the yellow to show up to the intensity that I want, I had to keep packing that yellow on so that way it will stand out. And the reason why I'm going in with the really small brush first is obviously because we are dealing with our inner corner. So that is why. Okay, there is an orange in this NYX Ultimate palette. It's right next to the yellow, so I think I'm going to go in with that one right there. And this is on my ColourPop E19 brush. And then I'm going to go right on top of that yellow a little bit. See if I can get it to show up. This is my Morphe 35M palette. And there's like a dark orange in here. Right here. So I'm going to take that same exact brush and I'm going to go into that shade. Alright, that's better. The next shade that I want to use is going to be a red. So for the red, I'm going to go into my Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. And there's actually a lot of reds in here, but there's a bright red specifically that I'm going to go for, which is that one right there. And I'm going to take that on my ColourPop E17 brush. So again, I'm going to go a little bit on top of my orange. Right, now I'm going to put that down and I'm going to go into a purple shade now. So for my purple, I'm gonna go into my Lilac You a Lot ColourPop eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna go into this really bright, darker purple right here. It's called Iffy on it. So again, that one right there. And I'm gonna take that on my ColourPop oh my gosh, there's glare on it. Okay, E18 brush. So, again, I'm gonna go on top of that red just a little bit. Okay, and then now I wanna go into a blue. So, let's see. Do you want a bright blue or a dark blue? The light. Okay, I'm gonna go back into that NYX Ultimate palette. There is like a darker blue right here. And I'm gonna go with my ColourPop E1 brush for that. And it looks like for this one, I'm really gonna have to swirl in to get it to pick up, tap off a little bit. And then again, just kind of go on top of that. I think I'm gonna tilt it sideways and go on top of that purple a little bit. And as you can tell, I'm just pushing it in. So I'm not like sweeping it or anything. I'm literally just pushing it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take my ColourPop E3 brush, any flat brush will do, and got my Tarte Shape Tape here because we do have some cleanup to do. And so for the flat brush, you're not gonna put it on the flat side, you're literally gonna put it on the tip. Because what you're gonna do to clean it up, it's gonna be a lot easier on the tip rather than flat, because otherwise you'll go down further than what you actually wanna do. So. And this one's a little bit farther over than my other eye. Try to make sure they're even. And then I will kind of like blend that out. So see what I mean? Like it's a lot easier to be more precise doing it that way. So I want to let you guys know that cleanup takes a lot of time and a lot of like patience, because you have to do a lot of like blending out. So just kind of keep that in mind as well. You're going to do a lot of back and forth. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on our lower lash line. So we're going to do the exact same pattern that we did on our top. And that's just my daughter, so just ignore that. So let's go ahead and start with that yellow and that NYX Ultimate. So for this, I'm just going to take the exact same brushes. So this one was again the E21 by ColourPop. Then we went into an orange in our Morphe 35M palette. Yeah, 35M palette. And we picked up this dark orange right here on a ColourPop E19 brush. And then we went into our, we did red. We went into red in the 39L palette by Morphe. And we went into that bright red, that one right there. And we used, okay, where is my brush for that, or did Emma take it? Okay.
Mama.
So I'm not sure where that brush is, but we're gonna use our E20 brush because that's what I have in front of me. And we went into purple in the Lilac You a Lot palette using Iffy. That one right there. On a ColourPop E18 brush. And then we went into our NYX Ultimate palette and used that blue right there on a ColourPop E1 brush. I'm gonna take my ColourPop E2 brush, just a big fluffy brush. And then what I wanna do is I'm gonna go into my 39L palette, and there's a white in here that's got like some shimmer right there. Whether or not it's gonna show up, I have no idea, but we're about to find out. And I'm gonna take that brush that I used for my cleanup for that Tarte Shape Tape, so the E3 brush, and I'm gonna do exactly like I did with the tape sharp. Oh my gosh, why can't I say it? The Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm not gonna put it on my flat sides. I'm literally just gonna put it on like the tip of it. Such a big palette. Okay, and then let's see if it's gonna show up. Oh, it's not gonna show up. We need a different brush. Okay, let me take another brush. It's an angled brush by ColourPop, the E6 brush. And there's another white shade in here, so let me try that one. Aha, got it. Alright, so where you cleaned up at is where you're going to apply the white, other than you're obviously not going to go up really high. You're just going to go in a line on top of those colors. Okay, you guys, so I applied my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara on my lower lashes, and then I applied my Ardell Demi Wispies on top, and then I did an ultra glossy lip by ColourPop just to keep the lips simple because I want the main focus to be the eyes. I do really like how the eye look turned out. I mean, I created it in my own version, my own way, so I really do like how it turned out. I hope you guys did too, and here is the completed eye look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in one of my next videos. Bye.